I'm good. Thanks for asking. So let's go ahead. So shall we move with mathematics today or something else? What do you want?
Um,
Anything else?
Mathematics.
Mathematics, okay. Okay, so let's go ahead. I told you to revise some of the stuffs. Did you revise?
No, because I was too busy doing the homework.
You were too busy doing homework. All right. So in the homework, did you find any doubt?
Only one question.
Which question?
The 10th question.
Okay, we may discuss it later. Okay,
Yeah.
so let's go ahead with this. Um, we may do a quick review, then we may proceed with this. Okay. By the way, how am I looking today? More
Good.
clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Because I've set a kind of light and all. So let's go ahead. So let's start with parameter. So you may tell me now this is your kind of mini test. So I will assess that how much you remember. What do you understand by parameter?
So parameter is the boundary of
Yeah.
something.
Yeah.
So the
Bound
outside line of what.
total length, right?
Yeah.
Length of all sides, length of the boundary of a shape, right? Okay, outer
Yeah.
line. Great. Okay, nice. Perimeter of a rectangle would be equal to what?
L plus W. So L plus W and then times it by two.
Divided
Times it.
two times, right? Multiplied by two, right?
Yeah.
So two and in the
Yeah.
bracket L plus W. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
this could be. Okay, great. So perimeter you told me correctly in that way. And now let me
Uh-huh.
know what do you understand by area? What is an area?
So area is the inside part of what you were looking at for perimeter. It's the inside area of how much you have in the space of it.
More specific, there was kind of a small, do you remember? Squares, square unit. Do you remember something like that?
Yes, so unit would be something centimeter square or something meter square, something like that.
And you're forgetting something else. Yeah, that is related to this. Like on a chart, like on a graphical chart, if we represent um, kind of shape area, then how would be calculating that surface is being covered? So it can be calculated in small pieces of squares having one unit each side, like four sides. So four sides, each side would be of one unit. Like either it could be 1 meter,
One.
1 centimeter, whatever it
Yeah.
is, right? Yes.
Uh-huh.
So
Yep.
yeah. So the definition was correct. The area of a shape is a measure of how much surface the shape takes, correct? But now more specific if we go, um, so we
Mm,
see like this thing. Area is measured in square units, right? So that was also true,
yeah.
but when we take it on this like shaded portion, what is the shaded part? You see like a small kind of in this graphical representation, a small kind of squares, right? And we can count and we can find the area as well. So that's a great.
Uh-huh.
You answered well. Now, if I talk about area of different shapes, like let me question you, like what is an what is the area of a square first? What is the area of a square?
Side and side.
And what unit will be using? Square unit, right?
Centimeter. Yeah.
Centimeter squared, meter squared. Unit is squared or a
Yeah.
square,
Me
a
too.
squared
Yeah.
unit. Yes. All right.
Yeah.
What is the area of rectangle?
L into W. Something. So unit square.
Yeah, unit squared. What is an area of triangle?
1/2 into L into W unit square.
L into W. You're forgetting something. This does not have anything to do with length or width. This, okay. Let's draw. Can you draw? Okay, I'm just allowing you to draw. Draw a kind of triangle, right angle triangle. Draw a right angle triangle. Go ahead.
Okay. Um. Done.
Yeah. So you told like L into W. Where is L and where is W? Can you find in it? It's not about
What?
length.
I can't hear you properly.
So you told like the area of the right angle triangle, like triangle you were talking about, like half into L into W. So can you specify w- to what you considered length, that means L, and to what you considered width? Actually, you're forgetting one thing. No, you're forgetting one thing. Like in triangle, the things are different. We do not call it length. We do not call it length and width. We call it base. Yes. Height. Yes. Great. Now you remember that. Okay. So now you can tell me the formula. Yes. What is the
Seriously.
area? Yeah.
Okay.
Of triangle, right angle
So
triangle.
this is base. This is height. And then what you have to do is 1/2 into height into B
Yes.
equals to area.
Right.
Centimeter square.
Centimeter square. Not centimeter. Like centimeter is a unit. And unit can
Yeah.
be anything like meter, centimeter. It is not fixed. That's why we call when we are telling it in a concept, we say unit is squared, right? Or square unit. Okay. So because
Mm-hmm.
that is not definite value, that is not constant, that is variable, that may vary.
What's the area and perimeter of a circle?
Hmm. Good question. We'll be talking
Like
about it.
are we
Pi,
gonna learn?
pi. We use actually pi in this. Pi r is square. We'll be talking about it. Don't worry. So for
It says
now,
it here. Oh,
sorry. Yeah. Sorry.
it says it here. It says it here. We're gonna learn
Yeah. Area of circle. Then we'll learn it. That's why what I told you. But in general, pi r is square. I'm just revising the stuff with you. I'm just checking your knowledge. So here you did a kind of little mistake. So one credit has gone. I'll give you the overall credit at the end. So now let's move ahead. So area of triangle you told me, right angle triangle. Okay, great. So let's move ahead. Triangle, yes, done. Yeah, yep. These things are clear to you. We discussed earlier, like these kind of shapes. Can you find the
it.
area? Finding total and then subtracting the part which we need to get, like
Yeah.
this. Yeah, and
Yeah.
then
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Okay. All right. Area of triangle we discussed already. Hmm. So this question for you. What is an area of parallelogram? I guess you have forgotten it
Why is there such a big like square?
because this is for writing. You may write what is the area of parallelogram. Firstly, you may draw the picture of parallelogram if you remember. What is the difference between rectangle and parallelogram? Do you know that? Okay, you may draw rectangle first because I know
Uh,
you know the shape of rectangle, right? Draw rectangle right now.
yep.
Yes, great, great. Now I'm asking you to draw a square. 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 Yeah, great. Now I'm asking you to draw a parallelogram that also has four
I
sides.
don't.
You don't know?
Is it like
I'm giving you a hint. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Great. Oh.
is that
Oh.
it?
Hmm. Two sides are parallel. I'm showing you here. It's kind of.
Yeah, this is correct. This is correct.
See, just observe what you've done and what is here. This is called parallelogram. But you see this. Okay, let me just highlight it. Do not erase it. Take it back. What you've drawn.
I can get it back in the end if you just do this.
No, I just want to make you understand on that what you've done. Okay.
Oh,
So now see what I mean. Like parallelogram, the word parallelogram is comes out of a word that is parallel. Do you understand what is parallel?
yes, yes.
What is that? Like this side is parallel. Is this true?
Where the lines don't meet.
Yes. So this will never meet. Even you draw a long line. Sorry, this is kind of wrong. A straight line, right? So this line would not meet these two lines. But what about this? Is this parallel?
Yeah.
No. This will meet if you extend, and it will become a triangle. Are you getting what I'm saying? No. Yeah.
Oh no.
Wait. Draw it again. Draw it again. What? Yeah. That. Draw your
Uh,
shape again. Draw your shape
my
again.
shape.
Yeah. Try to observe. Like you told right now, you told
Yeah.
that is correct definition. This is parallel. True. This is parallel.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
This is parallel. This. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. This.
Yep.
This is parallel. Yes.
No.
Yes. Why? This is not meeting. This is going this side. Like, yeah.
Because this gonna because it's kind of gonna make because this there's a big gap and then there's a little
No,
gap.
no, no. Oh, sorry. Actually, I'm not. Suppose this is straight, then this is parallel or not? Straight.
Yeah. Yeah. I can give you like this type because I've got like straight.
Yeah, that one. Okay, now I'm asking about this. Now tell me.
Uh-huh.
Observe carefully, okay? Otherwise, you'll do the mistake. Is this parallel? Is this parallel?
Can you rub all of this out first? Like because I can't really see which one you're talking about because
Okay.
all of them are right.
Is this parallel?
No.
So now I'm asking you, is this parallel?
So does that mean all of the shapes need to be parallel in
Both
this in
two
in par
sides. Two
in
of
parallel?
yes, and like each one facing each other. Like two of them are facing each other, right? So this one is facing this one is facing this one.
Oh,
So two pairs we are having, right?
okay.
So both
Okay.
pairs should be parallel, so it can be parallelogram because name suggests the same definition, right?
Yep. Should I try again?
Yeah, try again. Go
Um,
ahead.
so if I think it would be
Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, yeah, yes. You got it. Right. Hmm. Nice, lovely. So this is a parallelogram because now we see both of the pairs is going to be parallel. Each side which is facing each other, that is to be parallel, right? So in a
yeah.
parallelogram, the sides which are facing each other are parallel. Okay.
Yep.
So you can see your shape looks similar like this green one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you may erase your shapes now. Okay. So now we are talking about what is the area of a parallelogram. So this is written here because you've forgotten the concept, so you may understand once again. So area of parallelogram is just like we have
B
done
into H
B into
in
H.
rectangle.
Rectangle. Hmm, yeah, rectangle, just like rectangle as we were having B into H. But here we need to find H, right?
Oh,
Or it would be given in the question, right?
yeah.
Remember that this side is not H, right?
Yeah.
This is not H, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, great. Hmm. Now, would you please tell
Mm,
me what is a trapezium? Do you remember that? Trapezium. No?
okay. I
No.
do know what it is.
Just
It's the
draw it.
shape that I drew before.
Draw it once again. I'll check it. Ah,
Wait. So, mm, mm, mm. I didn't draw it perfectly this time.
okay.
I think the top bit
Now,
is a bit
just
wider.
just match it.
Mine is upside down.
No prob. Just look at the similarity. Can we call your shape
This,
parallel, sorry, trapezium or not?
yes, but like I said before, I didn't do it perfectly because this is a bit too wide.
Hmm. So what do you find like what a trapezium is? In a parallelogram, we found like each side is facing each other. Each side facing another one is parallel, right? So two pairs we are getting
Mhm.
parallel. But in trapezium, we are getting what? Can you differentiate between trapezium and a parallelogram?
The trapedium and the parallelogram.
At a side,
I don't know.
okay, at a side, draw a parallelogram. Just beside it, draw a parallelogram beside this shape. You will find the difference now.
Okay.
Yeah,
Um. Uh,
yeah, yeah. Nice. Yeah,
I can't
good.
really see the shape.
Yeah, great. Yes, lovely. Okay, now see the difference. In your shape, which sides are parallel? Just tick them. You may use single
Which sides are?
parallel.
Which
And which
sides
sides
are?
are sides are parallel and to what? In your shape
Which sides?
and to what? You can also show the
Yeah.
relation. Hmm. You did not get my question. You're telling correctly, but you did not understand what I'm asking. I said to what as well, you know, to tell. So this side,
Oh, okay. I know what you mean. I know what.
yes. Like, okay, I'm using one mark for something,
So you mean
one for it and two for it. Now tell me where you will keep one mark for making it parallel and two marks for it. One represents above line. Yes. Okay, great. Yes. So these both pairs we see, we find two pairs, right? But now come to this question. Which side is parallel? Let me know. Which side? This one or this one? You can tick or cross. Tell me. Which side is parallel? Which side is parallel in this?
like. What do you mean? Like I don't know.
I mean to
I don't
ask,
know what's parallel.
you do not understand. Now you are
In this,
confused. Yeah. Yeah. Parallel means, once again, I'm asking the same question. Parallel means the lines which will never meet, never cross, right? So would this line cross these two lines, this one and this
yep.
one, ever? These lines ever cross?
No,
No.
no,
But
no.
what about this? If you extend
Yes.
these lines, these line will correct cross or not?
Yeah. Yes.
So is this parallel?
Yeah.
Is this parallel? This is extend it.
That is not parallel.
Yes,
It's
that's
not
what I
parallel.
mean. That's what I mean. But in this, all the sides are parallel to each other.
Oh,
So what is the difference? Now I'm asking you, what is the difference between trapezium and a parallelogram?
a parallelogram has all of the sides equal. Like that has two parallels, but a
Hmm.
perpendicular line, perpendicular has only one
Pair of
um
parallel lines. One pair of parallel lines,
pair of
right?
lines.
Yes, but
Yeah.
another side, or you can also say like
Hmm.
um, the side one of the pair is parallel and another pair is not parallel. A pair of lines. Okay. But what is common? Both have four sides. This is
Hmm.
common, right? Both have four sides, right? Both have four sides or not?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Hmm.
Yes.
Now, what is area of a trapezium? Do you remember that? What is the area of trapezium?
No. No.
This was
I do
kind of
not
a
know
bit
that.
bit harder because now you can see what is the area of trapezium written here. See, what is the area of trapezium?
It
Yeah.
is written one
Yeah.
half plus B H.
Yes. One more thing, Prisha. Like we observed, what was the area of a parallelogram? You know it already. Do you remember that? We discussed it earlier. Prisha,
I don't know.
we just discussed it. It was equal to a area of triangle. Sorry, rectangle. What is the area of rectangle?
Um, so height into base.
Yeah, you may call it. Yes. So this is particularly for not rectangle, but it is particularly for what? Now see again. This is particularly for parallelogram base into height. But now if we, yes, that relates with rectangle.
Parallelogram.
Yes, that relates with a kind of rectangle, but there we have a different name for that, those dimensions, length into width. So LB, but here we are using another term.
Width.
We are calling it H, right? Height.
Yeah.
Hmm. So just a little change in the term.
Uh,
We call it height, not length, right? But in rectangle,
yeah,
we call it length and width. Do you remember that? So area of
yeah.
rectangle is LB, while area of a rectangle is LB, length into width, where area
Mm-hmm.
of parallelogram is base into height. Different
Right.
term we are using, right?
So
Yeah.
in area and perimeter, can we do like a worksheet?
Yeah, sure, sure. We'll be doing a worksheet. I even shared the last time the worksheet for basic questions and second time for these as well. Now in coming sections, we'll be also having some worksheet. I'll be giving you it in homework, and after this concept class completes, we may solve some questions together as well, right? Okay, so this is it. Trapezium you need to just remember because this is a bit difficult to remember that. But kind of trick you may use because a trapezium is having you know only one pair that is parallel and another pair is not parallel, right? So the above line, the top one is called A and bottom if we call it B, and the height we are finding, so it would be like A plus B into height. Okay, so this is perpendicular height, this
I've
side
got
is, yeah, sorry,
I've got a question.
yeah, please,
So um for the cuboid thing,
yeah.
when that's for the area of that, you gave a little trick to remember the LW, the L something, and the L something, and then I
That was
forgot the trick.
That was volume. We will come to that question. There's a difference between area and volume. Okay. Okay. Now
Ah,
see one thing as well, dear Pressa. So in area, how many dimensions we are likely to have? How many dimensions do you basically see in area?
three. No, what does dimension mean?
Dimension means like length and width. These are two dimensions. Height and base, two dimension. Okay. But
Mm-hmm.
a line only has length, one dimensional. Line is one dimensional,
Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Where rectangle is two dimensional,
Yes.
square is two dimensional, right?
Yeah.
So I'm asking you, in area how many dimension is needed to find, like we find area of a square side into side two times, it means two dimension, this is two dimensional, we call it 2D image. And rectangle length into,
So then
it's,
two dimensions.
yes, area is actually two dimensional. Did you get my
2D.
point?
Yeah.
Yeah, 2D.
Yeah. Volume is three dimensions.
Yeah, so you were asking the question like cube or cuboid, we have three dimensions in that.
Yeah.
That may include, can you name that?
Volume
Yeah, what are the dimensions?
three.
Name them. Length,
Length,
base,
width, and
yeah, you can say, yeah, yeah, that's correct. Length, width, and
height.
correct, true, no problem, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm, right, great. So let's go ahead. Trapezium, you need to remember there's no kind of trick in that. But
Yeah.
one
I
thing you
was
can, yeah,
I was saying that can we do the worksheet today?
worksheet.
Yeah, for this in the class.
Actually, I need to prepare the additional worksheet. I need to work on that. So let me take time. And in your test papers, I guess it would be difficult to find questions on the basis of it. So you may
Oh.
skip it, but for concept on conceptual understanding, I'm just taking this because this is part of that syllabus. Okay. But I
Uh-huh.
have seen, as I've seen, like questions are not there basically on trapezium in your test. Okay. Okay, if you want to solve a question, I'm giving you a question right now for this only. So let's say there is a trapezium.
Can you give it in the black space where there was a big black square?
Yeah, let's have
Yeah.
it.
Okay.
Okay, I want you to draw trapezium.
Okay. That is not a good trapezium.
Draw it well.
Not
Yeah,
bad.
not bad. Okay, so let's say this is 3 meter. Okay,
Huh?
and let's say this is um 5 5 meter, and let's say the height that is given in the question, because height will be given in the question.
Mhm.
This height
Mhm.
is
Mhm.
let's say
Mhm.
4 meter, and I'm
Will
calling it.
Will this always be given?
Yes,
The
this will be given because of without this we can't find. But if
oh,
it is not given, then there would be a way possible to find it, but not in all questions. Generally, it is given, right?
okay. Will
If
it be given in SATs?
sorry,
Will it be given in the exam?
generally, if it is not given, uh, because that is more advanced topic, I
Mhm.
don't want to discuss it now because that is not part of your tests. I have
Syllabus.
observed. Yes, when it will be part, then I love to discuss. So you may just solve with this right now.
Okay. Um, what's the formula B into H?
You forgot the formula?
Was it B into H or was it the other one? I
This
do remember the other one.
this is A, this is B, and this is
Oh,
H. Now, can you guess the formula? Area of trapezium. Yeah, yeah, great. One, A
okay.
plus B, and this is H. It means it is in into. I told you already. You had doubt earlier, right? When there is no symbol for these kind of elements, you may call like this is in multiplication, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Go ahead and solve this.
So first you do the brackets. So first would be A plus B, which is 3 plus 5, which means 8. So we will replace this to be 1 over 2. Oh, that's a terrible color, but okay. Times 8 times H. And H will replace with 4.
Lovely.
And how now this is easy. There's two ways you can do this, or three how you do it as well. But I do it in three. There's two ways I would do it.
Whichever
8
is
and
easy, easy. Choose always easiest way.
16.
Yeah.
I
Which
did
we.
8.
Mm,
I did 8 divided by 2, which I know is 4 easily. But then 4 is 16. It just clicks in my mind in like 1 second.
great, great.
I could have done 30, 8 times 4 is 32 and then divide it, but that would take a long time.
Longer, longer, longer. No, don't
Yeah.
go with that. Always go with easy ways because you need to take care about time. Okay. No, don't go with that. Don't even think
Yeah.
about those ways, please.
Yeah.
Don't even think about those ways because it will eat your time. Okay.
That's a
So,
bright color.
mm, I guess you understood it now. Do you want more questions or it's okay?
Can we do one more question?
Sure. Okay. I want you to the
Square. No, that's too
draw the
easy.
trapezium once again. Draw the
Okay.
trapezium.
Uh, okay. No, I don't know how to draw it properly.
Again, you forgot that.
No, I can draw it, but I can't draw it. like perfectly.
Right.
See, I don't. I keep on making it too squished. Okay, I give up. I'm not doing it.
Just do it normally, no problem. We need to understand the concept only. Okay, so let's say this is 4, this is 9, you can, and this height is given. Let's say this is P, Q, R, S.
Can you like measure how long I take?
I'm just giving it on the basis of guess. So this is now kind of 5 centimeter. Okay, go ahead
Okay,
with
and start.
yeah,
So 32.5 centimeters.
right, nice.
How long did I take?
2 minutes. I did not actually put watch on it.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. Okay, we can move on now.
Shall we move further or you want more questions?
It's okay.
I want you to solve a question related to parallelogram. Can you draw parallelogram? Parallelogram.
But I forgot the formula. Never mind,
You
I know the formula.
you will remember that. Firstly, draw that. Draw the shape.
Yep.
After seeing the
Okay.
question, perhaps you may remember. Okay, good. Okay, leave it. All right. So this is height, and this is 6 centimeter,
6, 7.
8 centimeter, kind of in odd. It looks similar. Confused. Left side. Okay, no problem. Find.
No, but what's okay, the answer is 48 meters.
How did you find it?
Is it correct?
The formula for it, the area of parallelogram
Mm-hmm. Is
is,
base into height. And I know base is 8.
yeah,
And I know height is 6. So just
yeah,
find them.
yeah, great. Lovely. And it would be in what? Meter squared.
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing you forgot in last question, I guess. You did not write the unit, right? So always
Oh,
you need to write unit. Okay. This will not matter because this will be given in the in options. But you must remember that square must be added on that.
mhm.
Hmm, great. All right. Can you just directly tell me what would be the area of rectangle having length 8 and width uh, 4?
Um, I
Length?
can't see the
No,
picture.
I'm not talking about picture. Just think about it. There is a rectangle. Just imagine. Do not write or anything.
Oh.
There is a rectangle, right?
Uh huh.
And that rectangle has a length of 8 and width of 4 centimeter. Can you
8 and 4,
find?
right? 8 and 4.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. And I find the area.
yeah. Mentally. R-
Answer.
Wrong answer. Yes, now true. Square. Hmm? Yes. He.
Mhm.
Okay, one more question. There is a square having each side 7. Yes, mentally.
Uh-huh.
What is the
Uh-huh.
area? Area of a square having each side of 7 meter. 7 meter. Okay. Meter. No, that's incorrect.
So there's a square with 7 sides each, like 7 meters
You
each,
did not find
and
your mistake. You did not find your mistake. Mistake
can
is
you say the
something else.
question?
Mistake is something else. You forgot that. Yes.
I
Why?
keep on. Uh,
Okay. One more question.
mhm,
There is a right angle triangle that has a base
mhm.
value of 8. Do it mentally, okay? Base value
Yes,
8,
yes.
base value 8, and the height is 4
Base value 8 and 4. Okay. Um,
meter, okay? Hmm. Okay. Base value is 8 and the height
8.
is 4. How did you
Yeah.
find 24?
8 plus 4 is 12, and then you have to times it by 2,
Eh,
which
eh,
gets you 24.
Why did you add them?
Because in area you have to times it, and that means the answer should have been 32.
Yeah.
I was doing perimeter.
Once again, listen to the question. This is the right angle triangle, and
Yes.
the base value is 8, and the height
Yeah.
is 4. And the
Yeah.
formula for right angle triangle is equal to what? What is the formula?
Base into height.
Half. Half into base into height.
Perimeter or area.
Area.
Oh, okay.
So now do it mentally. Half base into height. So the question is, once again, base is 8. Yes, 16. One more question because you've done it wrong.
Mm-hmm.
Related to this. Right angle triangle has a base value of 10 and the height is 15.
15.
Height is 15 and base is 10.
I need the whiteboard thingy.
Sorry?
I need the whiteboard thing. I can't do it mentally.
No, you will be able to do it mentally. Listen to me very carefully. Um, so you need to do half of one of the portion. Okay, let me just
Okay,
make
so,
you
so can I
understand.
can I like tell you what I'm doing so it's easier? So
Yeah.
you said one is 10, one is 15. I do 10 times 5, which gets me 150. To get the answer, I have to do 150 times by 2.
No, you need not to do. Look this. I said one is I said one
10 and
element 15 and one is 10. You need to just half this part. Then this becomes easy.
oh,
75.
oh.
Which the part which you feel is easy to be divided by 2, in that you can just use that part. Are you getting my point?
Mm-hmm.
But in the case, for example, both of the case would have been like this is 7 and this is 15. Now it is not easy. So now you need to follow that because then the answer would be in
No, it
decimal.
is easy. It is easy.
Yeah, tell me.
So I would do. This is the answer. Wait. Um.
You will firstly multiply this. There is no other way possible. That will be
Yeah.
complicated.
Yeah. I always multiply it.
But I want you to shift your ways as well. I know this is the thing you always do.
Mm-hmm.
Now listen to me. If you follow the same method in this question, that will be difficult. Do you understand? Like what you're going to do?
Like I have to do
You will do this first
150.
and then you will just divide it. Then you will
I
come to this.
wouldn't. I would do. I wouldn't. I would do this. Take the zero away. 2, 12, 6, 62, 620. But that's incorrect. What?
That is
No, wait.
incorrect.
But I want to learn. Wait, I want to learn. First, I would like to learn. So I will take the zero away. 2, 1, 11. 11 and then 2 would be 50. 2, 1, decimal point 0, 5, 0.
No, that is not working. The zero
Okay,
away would work in decimal division. You forgot like this. Look, this one was easier. Erase it. This one was easier. Just divide this one by 2. This is
can you
5.
like do the different pen because I can't really understand with red.
You want me to use different pen?
Yeah, or erase it.
Which pen do you want? Which color? Blue?
Now you can use red because you rolled it out. If I
Okay.
use blue, then you use red.
Okay. See. Mm, this is half, and we already know there are two dimensions given. One
Mm-hmm.
is 10 and one is 15. Your approach says that we should multiply it and then we should divide it. And my,
Yes.
my approach says is no, don't do this because there is a number which is directly divisible by 2. So I would go
Mm-hmm.
with this to make it easy. So this is 5 now, and
But
this
I
is now,
still don't know.
yeah.
I have to do this.
You do not know table of 15, right?
No, I only
E-
know just
Even then, this is easier than the method, that method which
yes,
you
yes.
were using. Okay.
Because I
Uh,
can do that mentally because like 2 5 is 5,
yeah.
and then 2 carries 3 35. Yeah.
Yes. So my approach says that you need to always use the method which works faster. Okay. This is what you need to include
Because
in your habit. Yeah.
normally in these I get smaller numbers like 7 and 2, let's say. So if I get 7 and 2, it's easier 14, 7 done. But this time because I got a bigger number, then it takes time.
Okay, wait a moment. Now I need to break this notion as well you are having in your brain. So you say like you need to do this first.
Yes.
I want
28, 12,
yes,
14 done. 14.
I love that thing. I agree with you. If that works, go with it. But
Uh-huh.
listen to me once, then consider what ways you like. So if we do this, isn't it much easier now? Isn't it much easier now? The number is being smaller, and when it becomes small, this becomes easy. So 14. Okay. If that works for you, that's okay. But the only
If
concern
there's
is,
like
yeah,
if there's big numbers, then I'll use your method, and if there's an even one. But the only thing that I don't like in your method is because if it's like an odd number, then you have to do my way.
yeah, that I agreed. I did not say this is my way, that is your way. It is not like that. There should be those methods only used because this exam is about speed, right? You should only go with those methods which works faster. If
Mm-hmm.
both numbers are in odd numbers, I would never suggest my way, that the earlier way, because that would not work.
Yep.
That would work, but that would be very complicated. So I would say, okay, okay, go with the multiplication, then the divide. That is very simple. So now 10.5 is the answer.
Because I think that this for my way would be easier. 7 times 4 is 28. I know that because and then 28 divided by 2 is easier.
Whatever you may use, but the answer should be calculated faster. That is the point, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we took long time in practicing question. Okay, it was good thing like we practiced. All right, so almost we covered this. So may I ask you the formula now? What is the formula for calculating the area of parallelogram?
Parallelogram.
I'm giving you options.
Uh-huh.
It is LB or BH.
LB or BH? BH.
True, B into H, correct. What is the area of rectangle? LB or BH?
What is the area of?
Rectangle. LB or BH?
Rectangle. LB or B? LB.
What is the area of trapezium? There are two options. Um, half into base into height, and another is half into A plus B into height.
Half into A plus B into height.
True. Okay, lovely. Okay, done. Hmm. So these are the questions, more questions you're having here. We discussed this question or not earlier? Trapezium burn. I guess we did not discuss this or
No.
okay. All right then. Let me just
Why is there like answers on the right hand side?
because I prepared it in that way, so I just did not mind like I should have prepared it in some another way. Okay, we may work. So you may see this side and you may start working on it. Start working.
Oh, I'm just rubbing it out.
Sorry,
I was just
helping me. You were helping me to erase it.
yeah.
Okay, then help me. Help me completely. Okay, from here you can now go. Yes, go
Yeah.
ahead.
So okay. The area of a trapezium is equivalent to, was it BH or was it the other long one?
This is trapezium, my child. This is trapezium. You forgot that. You're telling me something like it was parallelogram, but it is trapezium. There are AB. This
I
is
remember,
A.
I remember, I
Yes,
remember.
go ahead.
Um two, not into, kind of into. And then so if I do it your way, 90.
Mhm.
Can I go to the
90.
toilet?
Come fast, please. I'm so lonely, broken angel. I'm so lonely, broken my heart. I'm so lonely, broken angel. I'm so lonely, broken my heart. See you once again. See you. फना बाहें मिला के पर्द गिरा के में फना चांद सिफारी करता हमारी होना है तुझ में फना हृदय गिरा के
Okay.
Yes, there is another question for you. Prepared.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Um, oh,
Mhm.
okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we know that area of trapezium is where's the height?
A hint
Okay,
for you. I'm giving you a hint. Height is always perpendicular. And how would you find perpendicular? It would always be 90 degree.
so 8 or 3.
Mm, but in the case we find there are two sides which are parallel and we see 3 and 8. These are parallel. So,
I know the area.
yes.
And this time I will do it like 24 divided by 2 is, yeah, 24 divided by 2 is 12. And 12 times 2 is
Why?
124.
Wait. 8 plus 3 is 24.
Oh, interesting.
Interesting. Are you?
66.
Wait, just do it again. What you've done earlier.
Okay, so 1 over 2
Yeah,
plus b
yeah,
into height. So
yeah,
height is 12.
yeah. And this is 8 plus 3, right?
Yeah, so 8 and then 3.
So
8
this,
plus 3 is 11.
but you wrote
11,
earlier, you wrote it
yeah,
24.
24. Yeah. 11 times 12 is 132.
Yes.
132
You're making
divided
it
by,
you're making it complicated once again. Use my method and try.
so 4. 4 plus 4 plus
No,
3 is,
no. Wait a moment. You are just
I'm
doing it.
confused. Wait, can I do the method again? 1 over 2,
Yeah,
8 plus 3
yeah.
into 12. So what I would do is 8,
No,
no,
wait. Let me tell you the rule. This is against board mass. You know board mass?
yes,
Then why are you not applying it? Board mass.
L.
Firstly, bracket.
Oh. Yeah, but that's what I was doing. You said to do it in your way.
You did not get my point. This can be in that way as well.
Done,
Listen.
done. I got it.
Yes, yes. But there is another angle I want you to make it understand. Wait a moment. There is another angle as well. Listen to me, okay? Hey, listen to me. There is another method as well. Like this is, can we write this like 11?
Yes.
Then but that is also true. Like you have done it already. That is much convenient. But here also you could do this. Simple. But this is lovely. More faster than this. Huh, this. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Lovely. So let's move ahead. It is all the things.
I didn't know you could erase my stuff.
Yes, I can because I'm the host,
Mm-hmm.
not a ghost. Yeah. Close your eyes. You know why I'm saying you to close your eyes.
Yeah. Yes.
Wait a moment. Just close your eyes. I'm just going ahead. Okay. Oh, it's not working. Wait a
I
moment.
just, I just want to look. Oh, how about don't change it yet? Don't change it.
Yes? What
If
happened?
I just if I just clean it here, then when you go on the next slide, it's gonna be rubbed already.
May try, but I don't know there is a question or not. So that is also the point.
Yeah, but if there is a question, then there we go. If you turn it around now,
Yeah, there is a question. But you erase the question. Okay, you close your eyes, I'll help you in this. Okay.
not looking.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you could have just done that.
Yes, I did this. Now you can go. Tell me.
Okay, so 1 second.
Interesting question.
Okay, so this diagram shows yellow sky and light blue sky. What is the area of a yellow sky? You can work this out by subtracting the area of the 4 blue triangles. If the height of each blue triangle is 7 centimeters, then the base is okay. So 21 times 4 is 4, and then 84. So if we do the whole thing, which would be 7, 8, 9, 10, 7, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 times 10 is 100. If you do 100, take away 21 times, no, 21 times 4, which is 84, take away 84, then you would get the answer as 16 centimeters.
By the way, what is the area of our triangle?
Of triangle,
Yeah. Did you use the same formula to calculate this triangular part in each section?
no.
Now use it. Go ahead.
So that's 1.5.
Wait,
So,
wait. I'm just I will forget this so that I want to tell you. You could solve this division in more easy way, faster way. So this was 21. It- Yeah, 21 and it was divided by 2, right? So we know already this can be 10 because this is the half of like 20 plus 1. Is this true? Right? So this would be 10, right? So we know like this 10 times that is 20. Now the 1 is left, right? Do you understand what I
no,
mean?
I don't understand.
Wait, once again. This one is easier. If you understand, become faster, not easier, faster.
How did you get the style of my pen?
I can hack your device.
Oh.
Okay. So two two one ja 2, right? And this is 0. So I can also say 2 tens are 20. Is that true? 2 tens are 20. Is that true? 2 tens are 20. Is that true or not?
Yes.
Now what is left?
N- that is left.
1 is left, right? 1 is left. No, 1 is left. Because 2 tens are 20. You just cancel it. 1 is left, right?
Like,
What is the remainder?
one.
Yes. And you need not to calculate in that way. What is the half of 1? Isn't it 0 0.5?
Yes.
So the answer
Yes.
would be 10.5. Simple. Wait,
No, this is
wait,
gonna be easy. This is
wait,
easy.
wait. Now tell me the answer. Half of 30 is 15.5. Simple. Once again, 5 upon 2. 2 to the 4. 2 point, 2.1 is extra. 2.5.
6.
Okay, 7. Half of 7. 2 threes are 6.5.
3.6.
Yes, 3.5. Now, 9. Tell me fast.
4.5.
Very good. 19. Tell me fast.
9.5.
Great. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. 27. Tell me fast.
13.5.
Isn't that faster?
How how did you do it? Like what's your way again? Like you teach me over here.
Like this is 13 to the 26. I just observe it 26 plus 1. So I just keep it in my mind. This is plus 1 and I know this is divisible by 2.
Oh, can you
Right?
raise it?
Yeah, sure.
There's just a bin button that you can press.
Win button.
A bin that erases everything at the same time.
I don't know win button. Where is win button? Okay, this button.
Yes.
I don't know.
You have
Forget.
to press it twice, like 2 to 3 times.
But that will create something else which I don't want. Okay. Say again. Say again.
Oh, how about I just do this?
I just do this. Wait a moment. Yeah. Dun 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 dun.
There.
Da da. Yes.
Okay. So I was my question was that if it's 26, 25, let's say, divided by 2,
Then you
then
may
what
consider
I
24. 24 first in
yes,
mind.
yeah,
Yes.
I take one away, and then 24, 12, and then 0.5, yeah. But what if it was, uh-oh,
What if it
one,
was? Yes. Yes.
there. What if it was like this?
What this? Yeah. Okay.
So how,
Now I would find like near a divisible of 24. 24 is divisible by 3. Once again, 24 is divisible by 3.
yes.
24 is divisible by 3.
Mm-hmm.
So, and I know 1 upon 3 is equal to what? Can you tell me? 1 upon 3 is equal to what? That's what we need to remember. 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 is equal to what? You don't know? 1 upon 3. Just divide it and then find it. It would be 0.3, then again 3. So I found it. This is equal to what? 0.33, isn't it? So
Yes.
I would say 1 away 25 is equal to 24. So this is 8 times, right? 8 times 3.
Mm-hmm.
So 8.33 is answer. Yes.
Yeah, okay, so I understood absolutely nothing.
You understood?
I understood nothing.
I knew that. Okay. Now let me help you once again. Okay.
Let me
All.
do the square once again.
You're copying me. You're copying me.
That done.
Okay, what I'm doing.
Done.
All right. So what I mean to say, listen to me. I mean to say, the question, what was the question? I forgot that.
25
Yes,
divided by
20,
3.
yes, 25 divided by 3. Yes. So
Yes.
Listen, let it be. Listen to me. So I already know 24 is divisible by 3, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Right?
8.
Yeah. So I can write 8 and then I know point will be added because I need to divide 1 by 3. Is that true?
Mm-hmm.
But this is something I need to remember. So I already knew it that 1 upon 3 is equal to 0.33. This is what I learned it after practice. But if you did not learn it in a simple, so you need to that would be 33. So 8.33 is the answer
Why does this keep on happening?
because this is not functioning well so many times. Wait a moment, just go ahead. Erase everything. Destroy everything. Destroy everything. I would destroy everything. Even I'm destroying my life like this. Okay, now we may create once again. I guess that was kind of thing which you did not understand because you never have observed it in that way. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so that comes after practice when you see like the kind of pattern, right? So 1 upon 3 is equal to 0.33. That's what I remember. 1 upon 2 is equal to 0.5. 1 upon 4 is equal to 0.25. I remember it already. 1 upon 5 is equal to 0.20. 1 upon 6 is equal to 0. Um, what is that? 1 upon 6. I forgot that. So this is something which I remember. So when I remember, this helps. Okay. But
Okay.
for some easy techniques, you may go like you may remember 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is equal to 0.50 or 0.5.
Yeah.
Okay. And you may remember 1 upon 3 that is equal to 0. I told right
No,
now.
wait, 3, 3.
Yes.
I do
You
3.
you may remember what is 1 upon 4 is equal to.
0.25.
Okay. Till here only. And there is no need else. Okay.
Okay.
So work on this question now. You're working on this.
Okay. So,
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
88 centimeters square.
88 centimeters squared. Let's see. Shut in. I guess you're right. Now erase it. No, that was wrong. I guess where you were mistaken. Let's observe. 10.5, that was true. Okay, multiplication. You did multiplication wrong.
Oh,
Just a kind of little mistake. Approach was correct. Just calculation mistake. Okay.
20. If 5 times 4 is 20, decimal point. 4 times 0 is 0. 0, 2 would be here. 4 times 40. Oh, I did 4 times. Okay, I get, yeah.
This was calculation mistake. Okay, no worry. Okay. Then that's a great.
Can we stop now?
Um, few more questions, like for 10 minutes.
Okay.
If you're bored, we can pick another subject if you want.
No, I'm not bored. I like this subject. I like it. It's fun, but I'm tired. It's just because I'm not understanding anything because my brain just stopped. But I can try.
Do you know the psychological fact? Our brain gets tired of the same thing at the similar time. This is what I found from my teacher when I was a student and preparing for competitive exam, and it actually worked. My teacher told me like if you're solving mathematics and you're tired, try something else like
Mm-hmm.
which you may like. Like my favorite subjects were English, mathematics, reasoning, and I also loved exploring science. So I used to
Mm-hmm.
just switch to different subjects. That used to work, but not always, because sometimes
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
our brain does not want to study, but want to do something else or sleep or what. So this depends.
Yeah.
Okay. So the all formulas of 2D shape. I hope now you understand what is 2D shape and what is 3D shape, because
Yeah.
I already explained, right?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me what is 2D shape.
The 2D shape is a flat shape which is on the floor and you can't see the other side of it because it's on paper or something like that. And 3D shape is when it has a proper height of it. So that when it has the height, it means it's actually thick. And if it's thick, you can actually see the whole shape, and you can see that you can see the volume in it because there's something in it, like air or something.
Right. What does it stand for? 2D, D.
2 dimensional, 3 dimensional.
What do you mean by dimensional?
I have no idea.
Dimension, of course. How many dimensions? You already explained it. Like
Oh,
it can be,
dimension means that in the 2D dimension, which is for parameter, there's two things that we need.
yeah, two dimension that we need. We can
Yeah,
say dimension.
two formula types we need, like height and no, not height.
Yeah, that can be counted. Height and base, two dimension. Length and width, two
Width.
dimension. Only two,
Yes.
but remember, only two dimension. It could be
Yeah.
any term, no matter what,
Mm-hmm.
but only two dimensions. Either you call it base into height, base and height, or you call it length into width,
What about height into length? Height into length.
height into length, HL. Not in this, but that is
Because it's
more,
the exact same thing.
yeah.
Height
No,
and length.
that is pi r h. Um, mm, HL, pi r h l. Yes, that would be part we'll be discussing when cones. Have you ever taken ice cream?
Yes. Yes. I know cones. Yes.
Yeah,
What about pyramid?
pyramid. Yeah, that can also be part, but we will be again discussing it in 3D
Uh huh. Yeah.
mensuration. So now we are understanding basic stuff. So whatever we are having, because all the shapes are working in this way, either they are going with this combination, base into height, or they are going into length into width. That's what we observed by solving questions, right? And what you're doing
I'm
for
looking at
making
you.
making me scared. Okay, kind of fun. All right. So what I was saying, by solving the questions we observed, like sometimes we are using base into height, sometimes we are using length into width. So that's all we could observe. So that's how formula is formed. And when we are
Mm-hmm.
talking about three-dimensional, like there are three dimensions being used. Either we call it base, height, length, right? Base,
Mm-hmm.
height, length. Sometimes we may call it radius, like you were asking me earlier, sir, can you tell me what is area of circle? But a circle is kind of area you can find. But when you're talking about a sphere, do you know what is a sphere?
Yes,
There
it's a ball.
Yes, that's correct. So sphere is three-dimensional or two-dimensional? Can you give me an idea?
A sphere is 3 dimensional.
True, true. Why did you turn off your camera? Did you go
Because
to find a ball?
I want to get a cube.
Okay. Yeah. Yes, this can be a good example. So this is a cube. Now you see what? How many dimensions?
Whoa.
But you will be confused in it because it is a cube and it has all the sides equal. But if it would have been cuboid, you could easily observe. But
Isn't this cuboid?
sorry?
Isn't this a cuboid?
No, there's a difference between cube and cuboid. What is the difference? Can you observe that? I showed you that day something. Wait, I have something I can
Water
show.
bottle.
Water bottle is not kind of. I'm coming.
Okay.
Wait a moment. I have a box and you have that cube, and let us observe this. So this is a box. You can see that, right? So this
Yeah.
is a box. And now see what is the difference between this? I can call it cuboid, but that is cube. What is the difference? This side, this we'll call length. Now can you show me what is the
Oh,
length
the, the
in your,
length.
yes. Your length, width, and height all are same, isn't it? Your length, width, and height all are same, isn't it? Is it same in
Yeah.
your shape? But this is cuboid. Length, both side length equal. Okay, no problem. Height is different. This is height, right? This is different,
Yep.
different than length. Okay. This is width. This is also, I guess, different, right? So it can be different as well. But in the case of cube, all the sides having same, you know, area and diameter, or we can say like all the dimensions are having the same measurement. Either it is length, height, or width. So that's the difference. Did you understand now?
Yes.
Great. Okay. Whew. Let's go ahead. It's
You know
been,
how like yesterday you said I'm counting hours?
sorry?
You know how yesterday I wrote 1 hour on the screen?
How?
Because on top it tells me it's been 1 hour, 21, 22 minutes exact.
Yeah. Um, wait a moment. I didn't get, what did you say? Say it
It's
again.
okay. So
It,
I was gonna say
yeah,
that you know how yesterday I said I wrote 1 hour on here?
yeah.
That's
How?
been 1 hour.
Yeah.
Because on top it tells me exactly it's been 1 hour, 22 minutes, 31 seconds.
Your computer tells it.
Yeah.
Okay. You have set timer?
It always just says on top that is how long it's been. Like it
Okay.
says on call.
I can't see that. I guess it's not functioning in my computer. I don't know why. Okay, so let's go ahead. So we understood triangle, we understood parallelogram, we understood trapezium. More into it. I am really enjoying it. I don't know what. So formula, using units and formula, that's great. Remember, when using formula, we must make sure that values are so don't forget to put units in at the end. Yeah, that's correct. Trapezium, we already worked on it. So I want you to work on this last question so we may have this practice. Close your eyes. Yeah. Okay, now go ahead. You may open your eyes.
Okay.
This is interesting question. We also did it last time, but I want you to solve it.
Oh, oh. Remember when using for formulae, we must make sure that all values are written in the same units. For example, find the area of this trapeze. Okay.
Change everything in meter. That would work.
Uh-huh. So this would turn into 760, right? Would it?
Let's do it.
I'm scared. Okay. Um.
This is how. Okay, centimeter. You may work in into centimeter. That would work because the small unit. Yes. Centimeter. Turn it into centimeter because that would be longer. Yes, centimeter.
Okay.
That is the smallest
So
unit.
centimeter
Yeah.
would be the bottom one would be changed into
1 meter contains
100.
100 centimeter. Yes. 1 meter contains 100 centimeter. Yes, that's
That would
true.
be 120.
4
And this,
centimeter, not cm.
oh yeah,
Yeah.
will be this will be, and then 1518 would be 0.518.
0.5
No. It would be 51800.
mm to centimeter. How many centimeters are there in, sorry, how many meters are there in 1 centimeter? Sorry,
100.
millimeter.
10.
10,
10.
10. So it is just opposite. It means, like, it's like 1 millimeter is equal to how many centimeters? So this is 1 upon 10. It means 0
Mm-hmm.
0.1. 1 upon
Oh,
10. Yeah. 1 upon
okay.
10. So that would be 51.8.
51. Oh,
Yeah. This is a little difficult. Centimeter.
I see that.
Yeah.
I can already see that.
Conversion
Okay.
was difficult. Conversion part. That will relate another topic. We may discuss some another day. Conversion, basically. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. 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 Yes.
So height is going to be 51.8. And then this would be 76.
Mm.
That's
Mm-hmm. Yes,
one,
correct.
two. Oh.
Now use wood
So,
mass. Yeah.
yeah, yes. So now I will do 6 plus 4 is 0. 7 plus 2, 9, 0. 6, 1 plus 0, 0, 2. 200. Is
It
that
is.
correct?
Yeah, it's easy now. Just 2 you can see, and 2 is above. Divide 200 by 2. That will be
So
easier.
now 200 divided by 100 into 51.8 would return into 5, 1, 8 answer.
5180. Wait a moment. You
Mm,
forgot to, yes, but in the beginning you forgot to add 0
yeah.
because you did not count, like there was one decimal before one digit only. But 100 has
Yeah.
2 zeros, so 1 0 would be left, right?
Yep.
Correct. Well done. So this is what we've done. Do you want to go more, or we shall stop here?
I think we should stop. I'm too tired.
Yeah, I understand that way. Okay, so this is what we've done, and I want you to um, do kind of test in homework, or because this topic, all the questions we have done in the classroom, and I want to go with another concept. So I just want you to go with some other topic in homework. Let me know, like, which topic would you like? Maths, verbal, non-verbal, or what? Homework, for
Uh,
homework. Yeah, or
any, many,
English,
any, many, more. Non-verbal.
non-verbal. Which one? One, two, three. This one you're solving, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Second
So
test.
second test. You've done first test, right? In the homework.
Yeah.
We'll be discussing when you will be doing this, that 10th question. Remind me, okay, next
No,
time.
wait.
Okay?
I've done pointing as well. So actually 3. So if you yes, this one shading type and lines.
This one,
Nope. 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 Nope.
this one,
No. No. Back.
back, this one,
Yeah. Front. Sorry. Front again. And that's the answer. I was just checking if this is the one.
this one,
Question
this
page 6. Page 6.
page 6. Okay.
This is it, yeah.
So you'll be doing this. Okay. You may take a screenshot because you generally forgot, and I'll also share.
Done.
Wait a moment. Let me take it as well. Okay. How can I take a screenshot in this? Oh, it's working. Okay. So this thing you'll be doing in your homework, and we'll be having class tomorrow. So
Yeah.
any doubt you're having? Any question?
No.
Okay, then we can say bye. You may sing a song at the end because we took a long class, if you like.
Uh, I don't know what song to sing.
Okay, bye. Take care. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Welcome.